Top 10 really good things about 2020. Number 10. Pet adoptions have increased dramatically. COVID 19 has not affected all species the same. For prospective pets, more housebound Homo sapiens means more homes for in need animals, particularly dogs and cats. Dogs and cats are in such demand that even imported pets are being placed exponentially. The pet industry has also surged, an economic bright spot during what for many sectors has been an incredibly tough year. Companies that supply pet products are seeing soaring sales for food, leashes, collars, and a nod to new puppy housebreaking. Number 9. Wild animals are faring as well as domesticated ones. The next time 2020 gets you down, remember one thing. Wild humpback whales are gleefully singing of the coast of Alaska. Each summer, coastal Alaska is visited by well over a million tourists who whale watch and glacier gaze from countless cruise ships, which, for the record, were floating petri dishes well before COVID 19. Once the pandemic hit, that number effectively dropped to zero, and scores of musically gifted humpbacks have written feel good summer hits about their newfound peace. It is the first time in human history that we have had the technological ability to listen these whales in a meaningful way without us interfering, said Dr. Michele, director of the Sound Science Research Collective. Number 8. Eloping is making a comeback. One of 2020's crowning achievements has been the drastic, rapid decrease in conventional weddings. Many, if not most, people hate weddings. Hell, even the bride and groom hate what the wedding cost to them, leading up to a big day as a sacred event that should be about love is sought into an expensive, obsessive, neurotic core. 2020 has given us the best excuse ever to not to plan large weddings and not to attend them. Number 7. Divorces are rising. From March through June 2020, the number of people seeking divorces was 34% higher compared to 2019. At first glance, this is bad news since ending a marriage is nobody's idea of fun. However, COVID is not really the cause of divorce, but rather a catalyst. Putting two people who don't really belong together in close quarters forces them to show each other in their true colors. Without offices, friends, and other buffers, mismatched marriages are revealed for what they are. Pairing of the two peoples are better off alone. Number 6. Mother Nature is getting a much needed respite. Mother Nature has been dropping hints lately that something was not quite right with our relationship. She tried increasing in the frequency and severity of hurricanes. Finally, a winning strategy for Mother Nature. If mankind can't be trusted to roam the earth responsibly, maybe humans should just go to their rooms. With humans tucked away, Mother Nature has shown an incredible ability to bounce back from all the shit we pull under business as usual conditions. With social, economic, industrial, and urbanization activity significantly diminished, the planet has maximized its long overdue time off with prodigious improvements to air quality, cleaner rivers, and less noise pollution. Number 5. Real estate prices are soaring. And unlike the mid 2000s housing bubble which took the global economy with it, when it burst this time, the spike in home prices is built on the sound economic science of supply and demand rather than suckers being hoodwinked with loans they can't repay. Number 4. We have proven working from home works. Why could not we work from home? Mostly because managers didn't trust employees not to slack off. But with the advent of COVID 19, working from home went from seldom permitted luxury to an all permeating safety necessity. Seemingly overnight, the vast majority of those capable of making a living from our laptops were doing just that. Despite fears that conventional commuters would go from working hard to hardly working, this grand workforce experiment has been largely successful. Number 3. We are reading more books. It took long term, wide scale lockdowns to get us there, but 2020 has been a healthy surge in book reading. A survey of 1,000 Brits found that time spent reading books have nearly doubled, with 41% reporting reading more and only 10% less. On average, their weekly reading expanded from 3.5 hours per week to about 6. More than half of respondents reported reading more because they had more spare time, with 35% citing books as providing an escape from the crisis. Number 2. 2020 has prioritized facts over feelings. Many a snowflake has melted in 2020 and it was about time. On an everyday basis, at least an everyday 2020 basis, that thought process goes something like this. I have spent months holed up in my home, carefully protecting my own health and that of my loved ones. I'm not letting this moron ruin 5 months of prudence with 5 seconds of irresponsibility. Number 1. Medical sciences meeting the moment. The fastest a vaccine has been developed for a major disease in 4 years, when an inoculation against mumps became available. Though 2020 seems like it's taking forever, the world is witnessing what will rank among the greatest feats in medical history, a vaccine for a lethal, global, pervasive disease in under half that time. Meanwhile, the industry is ready to hit the ground running once major pharma companies worldwide have reconfigured equipment and invested in infrastructure to produce, inspect, and ship the billions of necessary doses to get planet Earth back to some semblance of normal. 2020 has been a big pharma act competently, responsibly, and even altruistically. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe our channel.